Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if you are having USB connecting or disconnecting problems in your device Samsung Z Fold 3. So get this problem resolved, you just have to take a few steps which I'll be showing you in my today's video. But before we start the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this whole video and you will learn what you can do if you are having USB connect or disconnect problems.